C is a programming language. It is designed by Dennis Ritchie. He is the inventor and author of C language. Dennis Ritchie. Okay, Dennis Ritchie is the inventor. So when did he invented? In 1972, he invented C language. In 1972, where did he invented? In 1970 at AT&T Bell Labs, American Telephones and Telegraphs. AT&T full form is American Telephone and Telegraphs is the full form. Okay. Then telegraphs, Bell Labs. That is the lab is Bell Labs in USA, which is resides in USA. It is most popular general purpose programming language. All we know general programming language. It is used to develop softwares like network drivers. Network drivers. What is network driver?
స్క్రీన్ కనబడట్లేదు.
కంప్లీట్ గా కనిపించట్లేదా?
కంప్లీట్ గా కనబడట్లేదు.
వాట్ అబౌట్ అదర్స్? నాకు తెలిసి కనిపిస్తుంది. ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. షేరింగ్ ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఐ థింక్ ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుంది నాకు తెలుసు కదా.
కనబడుతుంది సార్.
ఎస్. సో Dennis Ritchie developed and at AT&T Bell Labs. When did he develop? 1972. So this is the origin of C language. Okay. So what is the purpose of this C language? We discussed yesterday also. So these are all the some more applications. Network drivers. To connect the systems, we are establishing a network. Those networks softwares are developed by using C language. Next time, text editors. Text editor. This is also one of the text editor. Notepad is a text editor. These text editors can be developed using C language. Database utilities. We already discussed yesterday. SQL, structure query language. Such type of softwares, database utilities also can be developed by using C language. So what are the previous languages before the C? What is the root? What are the languages before the C? Let's see. In 1960, COBOL language is there. COBOL was being used for commercial purpose. What is the purpose of this COBOL? Commercial purpose. What about this Fortran? Fortran, one more language also there. Fortran was being used for scientific purpose. So this is for commercial purpose, and this is for scientific and engineering applications. At this stage, people started to develop a language which is suitable for all possible applications. So that means, different purposes, different languages are there, but they thought to a language which is suitable for all the purposes. So COBOL is for commercial purpose, Fortran is for scientific and engineering purpose, but they thought to develop a language which is suitable for all the purposes. So that's why they started developing C language. Therefore, international committee was set up to develop a such language called ALGOL 60. ALGOL 60. ALGOL is nothing but for all purposes. Okay, was released, and it was not popular because it seems too general. So there is no restrictions, there is no development in that. That is not much popular. To reduce the generality, a new language called CPL, Combined Programming Language. CPL is a combined programming language. After ALGOL, they developed CPL. Was developed from Cambridge University. Then some other features are added to this language, and a new language called BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language. ALGOL 60. After that, CPL. CPL after BCPL. Who developed this BCPL? Martin Richards. Martin Richards, he is also from Cambridge University. Okay, so after that, they developed B language. Then B language was developed by Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson, he is also from AT&T Bell Labs. So Dennis Ritchie inherited the features of B and BCPL. So he added some of the features from he took the features from B and BCPL. So that's why the second letter of BCPL is C language, and in alphabets also B after C is there. So that's why he named as C language in 1972. So before the C, there was some languages called Algol 60, CPL, BCPL, COBOL, Fortran. These are all the Q basic. Some other languages are there which are not popular. Programming language means we will start with only C. Okay, so that much popular and that much useful of C language. So this is the history of C language. Okay. So who invented this C language? Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie invented this C language. When did he invented this C language? 1972. Uh, where he invented this C language at AT&T Bell Labs. What is the full form of this AT&T? American Telephones and Telegraphs is the full form. Okay, so what is the purpose of C language? C language can be used for developing softwares like network drivers, text editors, database utilities, and an operating system also can be developed. An operating system also can be developed by using C language.